Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in today's video I will show you how to fix connections and loading errors in Chrome. So the first thing we need to make sure is we are connected to a internet and it is working properly. I am currently connected to an internet, so we will try to open Pinterest app. If it is not happening, if it is not opening the app, we must try refreshing the page or reopening the website. If it still is not working, you might want to clear your browser cache and cookies from the settings. To do this, first of all, we need to click on the three dots which opens a new pop-up. Here, click on delete browsing data and you might select how many datas you want to delete, either all time or timeline above, and click delete data. You might also want to go to your extensions bar and disable any unnecessary extension and restart your browser. If this issue still continues, make sure your Chrome browser is updated to its latest version. And like this, my Pinterest is now working, and that's it. These are some simple ways to fix this issue. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tutorials.